Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the Timestone and getting the phone ready. Plug it in until the charging LED changes color. This prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Once done, open the companion app and sign in because the account stores watch settings. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone so discovery works. This sequence shortens pairing time and avoids repeated resets. You'll save frustration later by starting with a charged, discoverable device and an active app session. You now pair the devices and calibrate core settings. In the app, choose Add Device, pick your Timestone model, and wait for the phone to find it. This is faster than manual search. If a passcode appears on the watch, enter it on the phone to verify identity because that secures the link. Once paired, run the calibration steps: time zone, display brightness, and wrist preference, so sensors and notifications behave correctly. Calibrating immediately prevents inaccurate readings and notification delays. Finish by syncing and customizing so the watch fits your routine. Allow the initial data sync and any firmware update to complete. Interrupting them can brick features. Then set watch faces, notification priorities, and quick actions in the app because personalization improves usefulness. If something goes wrong, pairing fails, or sensors act up, reboot both phone and watch and clear your phone's Bluetooth cache. This resets corrupted handshakes. If that fails, unpair and retry pairing from scratch to rebuild a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.